Hello everyone, it's great to see you all again. My name is Kian and this is my friend Quý.
Hello guys, in the latest video, we show you how to use the guide cane to let the robot follow you.
Thanks Quý, and what do we have here today?
Today, we are going to present to you guys the robot which is called the tollgate system. And beside that, we will make the car to see how the tollgates work.
Wow, that's awesome. If you remember that, when you're traveling on the highway, sometimes you just have to drive past the toll gate and without stopping.
And the reason is that the tollgate system could read your car and it will open the gate so that your car can go across.
So this is toll gate system. As you can see that we have two dots here. It's called the central infrared sensor. These two dots will detect your car when it's approaching the gate. For example, my hand is a car. When it's moving near the gate will open and your car can go through. After 5 seconds, the gate will close.
Yes. And this is the back of the tollgate system. We will upload the design file later, so remember to come back for it. And now I have a car here and I call him the Range Rover. And Ken, would you mind showing us your car please?
Yes, of course. This is my car. It's a convertible C300 Cabriolet from Mercedes. From the bottom you can see it has two infrared sensors, left, right. This sensor will have the car follow the white line on the street.
And just like the tollgate system, the car also has the center infrared sensor here. And it's used to slow down the car when it approaches to the toll gate.
Wow, that's awesome. We have the Range Rover and the Mercedes right here. So now let's get away from the busy city.